a restoration project to treat water seepage and reinforce rocks at the Fengshan Temple, the largest cave of the Longmen Grottoes, was formally completed on July the 21st. Water seepage and perilous rock bases were the two factors that threatened the existence of cultural relics in the grottos. To tackle the issues, the restoration team set up massive protective netting surrounding the giant Buddha statue and also adopted new technologies such as ground-penetrating radar detection and protective nest design.
To better protect and repair the imperiled rock bases, we used protective netting to reinforce the cave. For water seepage, we built a new drainage ditch and connected it with the existing one built in the Tang Dynasty. That is a protective measure that combines the modern technology with the ancient wisdom.
The restoration started in December 2021. It's the first large-scale restoration project of the temple since the 1970s. It's part of a national campaign aiming to protect and study grotto temples across China. As a bonus, there were multiple new archaeological discoveries.
In the
research of the head and back of the statue, we discovered new exquisite carving patterns, like the patterns of entwined floral branches and performers holding all kinds of instruments. These instruments reflect the culture of the ancient Silk Road. We also made full investigation on the marks on the walls. Lines of small holes were found on the top of the cave that had never known before.
The repaired cave will soon meet the public again after nearly 7,000 square meters of scaffolding set for the restoration is dismantled. Grotto temples are religious sites, mainly Buddhist caves or niches, carved into mountains or rocks. They were introduced into China along the ancient Silk Road in the 3rd century and gradually became a pillar of Chinese Buddhist art in the following millennia.